Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how we can make the global map of average zonal wind at 1000 millibars, as we can see in this picture. So first of all, we need to download the data. The data that I'm going to use for this tutorial is a self-reanalysis. So here's the link. Please visit the website and then download the data for yourself. It should be very straightforward. And then as usual, we will import libraries. Here I has NumPy, XArray, Matplotlib, and BaseMap. And the second step is to read the input file. We also use the command xr.openDataset to open the NetDF file name as specified here. And also, as usual, we also need to print to see what kind of information we have in this specific NetDF file. And as you can see here, we have latitude, level, longitude, and the times. And data variables we have here is zonal wind. And and then the next step we will do is to take out the variables. We take out the longitude, latitude, level, time, and the zonal wind. So at the moment, the zonal wind have the shape of time, time step, vertical level, and longitude and latitude. We can print the time. The first time step is at 1979, and the last time step a few months ago in 2020. And we also can print the first value of the time step by specifying the 0 as the index, the first index. And then we also can print the last value. So it was in the 1st of February 2020. And then we also print the level, and we see the level from 1000 millibars to 10 millibars, and the longitude is from 0 to 360, and also for the latitude from 90 to minus 90 degree. And we can plot one snapshot of the time step. Here is the first time step. We can see that there's very strong zonal wind in the southern hemisphere. Now, in order to make a plot, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we should make an average. So in order to make an average, we need to select the time periods. Here I select the time from January 21 to December 2010. And as you can see, I print the comment first time and last time to confirm it here. And then the next step is to calculate the wind average and its standard deviation. I also print the shape of the wind and its standard deviation before and after we do the calculation to double check it, as you can see here. And after we have the average and also the standard deviation, we can start to plot the image. Here I use the base map to plot the figure. There is a number of parameters that we need to put it here, but it's not very difficult. And you can certainly check in Google if you type base map. And then we got the image like this. We can see very strong zonal wind over the Southern Ocean. And we can also plot its standard deviation. And it's very interesting that we see a high standard deviation over the maritime continent in this reanalysis. And we can also specify another level, vertical level, to see like index 5, number 5 here, it stands for 500 hectopascal, to see different zonal wind behavior in the atmosphere. Done. Thank you very much. Please feel free to let me know if there is any other analysis that you would like me to make. And please subscribe my YouTube channel too. And I also would like to correct myself here. I mentioned about maritime continent, but it actually Indian Ocean. And thank you very much.